Good morning, my all dear students. I am Jerry Wheeler, your mathematics teacher for class 9, and today we are going to solve exercise 4.4, in which we are going to learn the concept of equations of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So before solving exercise 4.4, let us first understand the equations of lines parallel to the x-axis or y-axis, because the exercise is based on this concept only. So let us just observe these points, these coordinates, okay? 2 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. As you have seen this one earlier, also you can say this is the x comma y, this is also we can say x comma y, and this is also we can say x comma y. Okay, so these 2 is the coordinate of x and 0 is the coordinate of y. In the same way, minus 3 is the coordinate of x and 0 is the coordinate of y. 4 is the coordinate of x and 0 is the coordinate of y. So first put focus on 2 comma 0. If I am saying you that locate this, or you can say represent this 2 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0 on graph paper, so you can locate or not. I hope many students can locate. So do one thing right now, just pause this video. Once again pay attention, I am saying right now pause this video and take a graph paper and locate this point, and then after locating the points on graph, then again play this video and check whether you have done correctly or not. Right now pause it, okay? And I am solving here. So now see how we can locate 2 comma 0 on this graph paper. Right now it is not a graph paper, but I have made a rough graph paper on this, okay, x-axis and y-axis. So 2 comma 0, as you can see, the coordinate of x is 2 and coordinate of y is 0. So where we can show it will come on x-axis only. So where is 2? This is x-axis horizontal line, vertical line y-axis. Where is 2? This is 2. So this point is showing what? You can say 2 comma 0, because here x value is 2 but the value of y is what? 0. In the same way, if I am asking minus 3 comma 0, just check minus 3 comma 0. So minus 3 is first, this is the coordinate of x. So minus 3 in x-axis will come this side, this is the point. So this point will show what? You can say minus 3 comma 0, okay? So see, and then last point 4 comma 0. So again 1 2 3 4. So this point is showing this one 4 comma 0, okay? So you have seen all these 3 points, 2 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0 4 comma 0, all these 3 points came on x-axis only, that is horizontal line. Why it is happen? Because the value of y, or you can say the coordinate of y, is what? 0 in each of these coordinates, 0 0 0. That's why these all points came on x-axis. It's clear to you or not? I hope those who have paused the video, they can match, and I believe that you found your answer correctly only. Okay, now just check what we are doing. Okay, we are having equation x minus 4 equals to 0. What equation we are having? X minus 4 equals to 0. Just check it properly. What you found here? We find here that it is equation in one variable. How many variable? One variable. Why? As you can see here, x minus 4 equal to 0. So only one variable is there, that is x. Okay. So if we use transposition method and we transfer this minus 4 from this side, so it becomes x equals to 4. Or it becomes x equals to 4. Now if the question is that show this on number line, so we can show it or not? Of course we can show it, because we have learned this thing in 7th class also, 8th class also. So x equals to 4. What is the value of x? 4. So we will take a number line like this, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can take here minus 1 also, no problem. Then x equals to 4. So 1 2 3 4, this point is showing what? X equals to 4. So we have shown on the number line. So it is very easy for us to show this on the number line. But if the question is that show this equation x minus 4 equal to 0 on graph paper, what I am saying, represent this equation on graph paper, or we can say that you can say convert this x minus 4 equal to 0 in two variables. So what you will do? Just think what you can do here. Now as you know, earlier also we have done something like this. So we can do here like this, x minus 4, it is there, okay? So what we are doing, x plus 0, it is not decimal point, it is multiplication. The point here means what? Multiplication. We have 0 multiply y by 0. Just pay attention. We are multiplying y by 0. Then we are writing what? Minus 4 as it is. See, x minus 4 we have written. Just in middle what we have written? 0 multiply by y. Then equal to 0 equal to 0. If you observe it now carefully, so what will happen? If we multiply y from 0, so what will come? 0 only. So it will not make any difference in this equation. X minus 4 equal to 0. See, 0 y is a 0. So x plus 0, 0 only. So x minus 4 equal to 0. So again it will become same thing only, okay. But as we have shown y here, so now we can say that this equation become a equation in two variable, okay. So we have represent this same equation in two variables. See, now x minus 4 equal to 0, it is also x minus 4 equal to 0. Just we have shown y also here, so it becomes equation in two variable. Linear equations in two variable. Just pay attention. 0 comma y, 0 multiply by y. It is not decimal, but it is multiplication, okay. 0 multiply by y becomes 0 only, okay. Now what we can do, we have to show this on graph paper. So we have to put, as we are doing already, that we are making table box. We have made a table x and y. Now we'll put the value of y, then we can get the value of x, okay. Now first we are putting the value of y as, you can say, 1. What we are putting? 1. So if we are putting in the place of y what? 1. So what will come? Just think, just rough what we can do here. X plus 0 multiply, it is multiply, okay. What is the value of y we have taken? 1. So 0 into 1, then what is minus 4? We can put in bracket minus 4 equal to 0. X plus 0 ones are 0, minus 4 equal to 0. So it becomes x equals to minus 4 will go that side, so x equals to 4, okay. Now just pay attention. What is the value of x earlier? 4 only. Now as we have taken 0 point y, 0 multiply by y, and we have assumed the value of y as 1, so again what comes value? 4 only. See, 4 only, okay, no problem. Now we can take 2 also. We are assuming the value of y as 2. Now see what will come. If we put in place of y 2, so 2 zeros are 0. Again it will become 0 only, because we know the common rule of math that any number, if you multiply by 0, so what will come? 0 only. So it becomes again x minus 4 equal to 0, and again what value will come of x? 4 only. Either you can put 3, then also 4 will come. Either you can put 4, then also what will come? 4 only. So we can put 5 value in place of value, in place of y you can put y, then again what is the value of x will come? 4 only, okay. See, if you put 2 here, 2 0 0, then again it becomes 0 only. Then again minus 4 will go that side, so it becomes equals to 4. So whatever we are putting in place of y, what is coming? Value of x remains 4 only. Why it is happen? Because the value of y is what here? 0. What is the value of y here? 0, because y into 0, okay. That's why it is happening. Now if we have to represent this one, this equation, see, x plus 0 point y minus 4 equal to 0, we have to represent this equation on number line. So how we will represent? This is a graph paper, we can say, okay. What is our first point? 4 comma 1, then 4 comma 2, then 4 comma 3, then 4 comma 4. So first one is what? 4 comma 1. So let's represent here. Where is 4? This is 4, okay. Where is 1? This is 1. So 1 comes here, okay. We can take a point here. This is 4 comma 1. This point is what? 4 comma 1, okay. I can use black pen also, no problem, okay. 4 comma 1, okay. Next point is what? 4 comma 2. So again x value 4, it will remain here. What is the value of y? 2. So just it will come just upside of 1, okay. Then what is the value of third solution? 4 comma 3. Again value of x is what? 4. The value of y become 3. So just it will come upside only. Then again what is the value of solutions of x and y? 4 comma 4. So 4 will remain here, and 4, this one, it will come here just upside of 3, okay. So this point is showing what? 4 comma 2. Then this point is showing what? 4 comma 3, and this point is showing 4 comma 4. So these are solutions, okay. Now what we have to do? We have to put a straight line, because this is line. We have to meet these all points. Let's see what will come. So when we meet all these points, so these points 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 1, so what comes? A line which is parallel to y-axis. When we meet all these points, so what comes? A line which is parallel to y-axis. So in this way we have drawn our equation, that is x plus 0 comma 0 multiplied by y minus 4 equal to 0 on number line. Okay, so either you can write this equation here, because this is the line which shows this equation, or you can say this is the line which shows x minus 4 equal to 0 also, because if you solve, so what will come, x plus 0 into y, 0 only, so x minus 4 equal to 0, it will become same only. So you can write x minus 4 also this equation, or you can write as x plus 0 multiplied by y minus 4. This is the line which shows this equation. So what happens when the value of x is 4, and in any value 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, and the value of y is what, 0. So in that case, how we will get the equation, how we will get the line, we will get a line which is parallel to the y-axis when the y value is what, 0. So in this case is 2 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0 4 comma 0, like that you get. Okay, clear or not? So after solving that example, we can conclude that the graph of the equation x equal to 0 is the y-axis, and the graph of the equation y equal to 0 is the x-axis, as we have seen there, when the value of y is what, 0. Here the value of y is what, 0. So in this case the point of x is remain same here only, 4, it remain 4 only. What happened, the y value only, it comes upside only. Okay, and in this way what happened, we get a line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so if y equal to 0, so we can say the graph of the equation y equal to 0 is the x-axis. If we take its reverse, when x equal to 0, so we can say the graph of the equation x equal to 0 is the y-axis. I will explain this one with the graph. Now third point, the graph of the equation x equals to 4. Just we have seen x equals to 4, x minus 4 equal to 0, it becomes x equals to 4. So what we have learned, the graph of the equation x equal to 4 is a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to its right. So as you have seen here, when the value of x equals to 4, so what happened, we get a line which is parallel to the y-axis, like this. We get a line, okay, in this way, which is parallel to the y-axis at how much distance, 1 2 3 4, at a distance of 4 centimeter through, or you can say 4 units through from y-axis. See, this is parallel. Okay, at how much distance, at a distance of 4 units. See this one, 4 units. From here to here 4 units, from here to here also distance 4 units, you can match also 4 units 4 units. Okay, so we get a line which is parallel to y-axis when x value is given and y value is 0. Okay, so this point says this thing only, 3 point. Then fourth point comes, the graph of the equation x equals to minus 4 is a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 4 units to its left. Now suppose that there is a equation given where x plus 4 equal to 0. Let me explain you with the help of this numerical. So now once again the value of x is given, that is minus 4, and the value of y is 0. This fourth point I am talking about. Okay, so this line will also come parallel to y-axis but at a distance of 4 units to its left. Earlier we get what, at a distance at right side of y-axis. Y-axis this one, this is left side and this is right side. So we get this line parallel to y-axis at right hand side at a distance of 4 units. But this time when the value of x is what, minus 4, this time we will get a line which is parallel to y-axis at left side. How? Just check here. Now suppose that we are having equation x plus 4 equal to 0, or we can write this one as like this. We can move this 4 to this side, so it becomes x equals to minus 4. This is one variable, as you can see, one variable only, x-axis. Okay, now suppose that we want to show this again in 2 variables, so we can write it in this way, x plus 0 multiplied by y plus 4 equal to 0, of course, as we have done earlier only. So what will happen again, we have to represent this one on the graph, so we'll put the value of y and then we can get the value of x. So suppose that we can put the value of y as 1, so in place of y what will come, 1 0 is a 0, then again it becomes x plus 4 equal to 0, because 1 0 0 it becomes 0 only. So x plus 4 equal to 0 means x equals to minus 4 only, remains same. Now it means minus 4 only. Okay, now in place of y we can put 2, so 2 into 0 again 0, so again what will come, x minus 4 only. In place of y we can put 3 0 is again 0, so again what will come, minus 4 only. So when the y value is 0, so whatever we can put, so what will come, it becomes 0 only. Okay, so then it becomes the value of x will remain minus 4 only. So minus 4 comma 1. Now let's show minus 4 comma 1 here. Minus 4 comma 1. Minus 4 is the coordinate of x and comma 1. So where is 1? 1 is this one. It will come like this here. Then what is the point? Next point, minus 4 comma 2. So minus 4 is there and 2 is there. So it will come here just upside of this one. Then minus 4 comma 3. So minus 4 is there only, x-axis. Okay, and 3 is where? This one. So it will come here like this. It will go straight line this. So this line, this point we got. So again we getting the 3 points, and now we have to meet this point. So let's meet this point. So now just check again, we got a straight line when we meet these three solutions. Minus 4 comma 1. Okay, this point, minus 4 comma 1, minus 4 comma 2, this point, minus 4 comma 2, and minus 4 comma 3, this point. When we have meet this point, so again we get a straight line which is parallel to y-axis, but this time we get at the left hand side of y-axis. See, left hand side at y-axis. When the value of x is what? Minus 4. So when the value of x is minus, so it will come to the left hand side, this line which is coming parallel to y-axis. When the value of x is in positive, so it will come to the right hand side. Okay, this parallel line. So in this way we can show this one. So this is our fourth point. The graph of the equation x equals to minus 4 is a line parallel to y-axis, as you can see, parallel to y-axis, this line, at a distance of 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units, distance of 4 units from any point. This is 4 unit distance, this is also 4 unit distance, this is also 4 unit distance. Which side? To its left. This is y-axis, it is at left hand side only. Okay, this is clear to you? Now fifth point, the graph of the equation y equals to 3. The graph of the equation y equals to 3 is a line which is parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units above the axis. Now just pay attention right now. Here this time they have given the value of y, not the value of x. Now this time the value of y is given 3. So how we can show? We can write it in this way, y minus 3 equal to 0, because then only 3 minus 3 will go this side, so it becomes y equal to 3. So again it is one variable. Okay, one variable. Now we can put in two variables. So how we can write? In place of x is not given, only y is given. So we can write x multiplied by 0. So it will not make any difference in this equation. The equation will remain same only. Okay, plus y, okay, minus 3. Y minus 3 came as it is, equals to 0, equal to 0. So x into 0 0, y minus 3 equal to 0, it will remain same only. Now what we can do? We can make a box like this. Okay, then x, this is y. Now as we are having y value already 3 value, so what we will do? We'll put in place of x. So first we putting in place of x 1. So what y value come? 1 0, because in place of y, x what we are writing? 1 multiply by 0 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So 1 0, 0, y minus 3 equal to 0. So what it becomes? Y minus 3 equal to 0, which means y equals to 3 will go that side, so it becomes plus 3. So y equals to 3. What value of y came here? 3 only. Okay, then suppose in place of x we are putting 2 here now. So 2 zeros are again 0. So again what will value of y will come? 3 only. Now in place of suppose y we are putting 3. So again 3 zeros are 0. Again y equals to what comes? 3 only. So whatever value we can put in place of x, because it has to multiply with 0, so what will come? 0 only. So y value will remain same as 3. So we got our solutions 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 3. So 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, as it is 1 comma 3. So 1, 3 is here. Okay, this one, this is the point. Then 2 comma 3. So 2 is here. Where is 3? Straight line, you can use the scale. Okay, this is 3, 2 comma 3. Okay, again it is coming just upside only here. Okay, then what is the next point? 3 comma 3. 3 is there, again a straight line like this. This is 3. Okay, like this you can show. Okay, this one, then we have shown this one. Okay, this. So we got this 3 point. This first point is showing what? 1 comma 3. The second point is showing what? 2 comma 3, and the third point is showing what? 3 comma 3. Now we have to join these 3 points. So let's see what will come. So when we have joined these 3 points, so what we got? We got a line which is parallel to, now this time, x-axis. This is x-axis, no? And this is y-axis. But this time we got a line which is parallel to y-axis. When we got this line? When the y value is given 3 and here the value of x is 0. Okay? When multiplying x comma 0 we have put it. So in this way, what is coming? When y value is given, so what happens? The line which is coming to this equation is coming what? Parallel to x-axis. Okay, as you can see, so this is the fifth point. The graph of the equation y equal to 3 is a line parallel to the x-axis, as you can see, parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units. Just check the distance, 1 2 3, yes, 3 units. From where? Above the x-axis, x-axis के ऊपर, as you can see here, axis above the x-axis, this line. Now sixth point, the graph of the equation y equals to minus 3. Now suppose that y is minus 3. Y is what? Minus 3. As we have seen upside only. Okay, y minus 3. Y, so we can say y plus 3 equal to 0. So what it becomes? Y equals to minus 3 only. So how we can write? We can write as x comma 0 plus y plus 3 equal to 0. We can write or not? This is the equation we got. Okay, this is the equation which we got here now. So for this equation, what we can do? Again, we can put in place of x1. So what will come? Y equals to minus 3 only. If you put 2, then again y equals to minus 3 only. If you put 3, then also what will come? Y equals to minus 3 only. So we can get, we can say that we got solutions like x, y. Okay, 1 2 3. If we put, see, we are putting x value, okay, here in place of x we are putting 1. So what will come? 1 0 0, 1 0 0. So y will remain here only, this one. So it becomes y plus 3 equal to 0. It means y will remain here, 3 will go, so it becomes y equals to minus 3. So minus 3. If we put 2 here in place of x, so 2 0 0, again y plus 3 equal to 0, which means y equals to minus 3 only. So either we can put 1, either we can put 2, either we put 3, either we can put 3 4 5. The y value will remain same as minus 3. So minus 3 when we have put 1. Okay, sorry, this one, it is minus 3 is here only. Okay, we are putting about x-axis. The value of x is 1 plus 1. Okay, and what is the value of y? This one, minus 3. Then what is the value of x? 2. This one 2. What is the value of y? Minus 3 only. If you are putting 3 also here, then also what will come? The value of y will come minus 3 only. Okay, so again minus 3. So when the value of y is given as equals to what? Minus 3. So this line showing the fifth point. Okay, now come to sixth point. Now what sixth point says? That the graph of the equation y equals to minus 3 is a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units below, now below the x-axis. Now what is the point here? Y is minus 3. Earlier y was plus 3. Now they are saying y should be minus 3. So we can write as y plus 3 equal to 0. When this move this 3 to this side, so it becomes minus 3 only. So how we can write? We can write as x multiplied by 0, because we have to show this into graph. So we can make it into two variables. So x multiplied by 0, because we are multiplying x multiplied by 0, so it will not make any difference in this equation. Y plus 3 it remains same, equal to 0. Okay, now we can make a table. So first we have taken minus 3 in place of y. In place of x we have taken 1. So 1 0 is a, because in place of x what we are putting? We are putting 1. So 1 into 0, 0. So what left? Y plus 3 equal to 0. So y plus 3, it means y plus 3 equal to 0. So y will remain here, 3 will go, it become minus 3. So when we are putting 1, so what is the value of y coming? Minus 3. Now put 2. So 2 0 is again 0. It becomes 0 only. So what left? Y plus 3 equal to 0. Again same. So again what will value come of y? Minus 3. Again minus 3. Now if we put 3 also in place of this, so again 3 0 is 0. So again what will value of y will come? Minus 3 only. So we can show this one like this. This point showing what? 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 3. So these 3 points we get here. This is 1 comma minus 3. This is 2 comma minus 3. Okay, and this point is showing 3 comma minus 3. Now join this line. Okay, if we, with the help of a skill, we join this line, so what will come? Just check. So if we join all these points, so we get a line which is just parallel to x-axis, but this time we get this line below, as we have seen in the point 6. The graph of the equation y equals to minus 3 is a line which is parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units below the x-axis. This time we get at downside of axis, below the x-axis. When the y value is given minus 3. Okay, y equals to minus 3 means here the x is not given. So here we are assuming x in place of x 0.0. It means x multiplied by 0. So whatever value we can put, what will come? The y value will remain same only. Okay, so these 6 points we have learned today. Okay, this one, 2 3 4 5 6 points I have explained also. On the basis of these points only we can solve exercise 4.4 now. So let's see exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Give the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an equation. What is the value? Y equals to 3. Okay, so it will be how? Just see, in one variable and in two variables. So first of all we have to give geometric representation of y equal to 3 in one variable and then in two variables. So we will solve as same as we have done earlier. Just I have given example in this way only. Let's check. First they have given y equal to 3 in one variable. So as you know very well that in one variable it is already y equals to 3 is in one variable only. So how we can show? We can show on one variable in number line in one variable. So we can show it easily on number line. Y equal to 3, just check 1 2 3, it is come here. So this point shows y equals to 3. What it shows? Y equal to 3. And this way we have done our first part. So it is very easy or not? Okay, now show this it in two variables. Same equation y equal to 3, show it in two variables. So how we can show? As I told you already, in place of x what we can write? 0. 0 multiplied by x, it will remain 0 only. So it will remain same only, y equal to 3, c plus y. 0 multiplied by x, it will become x y only. So y equal to 3, it remain or same or not? Okay, but when we are writing 0 multiplied by x plus y equal to 3, so it becomes linear equations in two variables. Okay, that's why we're writing in this way. Now we have to find some solutions in order to show this in graph. So in place of x, first we are assuming 1. What we are assuming? 1. So 1 we are assuming in place of x. 0 multiplied by x plus y equal to 3. So 1 sorry, in place of x we are putting 1. It will remain 0 only. This is the value of 0 only. 0 ones are 0 plus y equal to 3. So what the value of y come? 3 only. So 3. Okay, now we are putting in place of x 2. So what is the equation? 0.x. So in place of x, 0 multiply by 2 plus y equal to 3. See, in place of x what we have taken? 2. So we are writing 2 in place of x. 0 multiply 0 multiply. 0 2 is 0 plus y equals to 3. So what again what comes? Y equals to 3 only. So again y equal to 3. So in this way if we are putting 3 also here, so what will come? 3 0 is 0. Again y will remain 3 only. So we got our three solutions: 1, 3, 2, 3 and 3, 3. Now we have to show this on graph. See, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 3. So 1, 3 with a 3 point here. This point shows the 3, 1, 3. But it shows 1, 3. Okay. Then 2, 3. So 2, 3. This point shows 2, 3. And then comes 3, 3. So 3, 3. This point shows. This is 2, 3. And then this is 3, 3. Okay. For the equation y equal to 3. Now join these 3 points. So let's see what will come. So after joining the points, what we got? We got a graph AB as a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units above it. Just see, it is parallel to x-axis or not. When we have joined these 3 points, we have got a straight line AB. We have given name AB. You can give any name, x, y, y. X, y already, you can't put x, y. Another name you can give M, N, R, S. It's up to you. So AB we have name given. So AB line is parallel to x-axis at how many distance? 1, 2, 3. At a distance of 3 units above the x line. Okay. So this line is showing what? Y equals to 3. This one. Okay. Or you can say 0 point multiplied by x plus y equal to 3. You can write this equation because we have shown this equation through this line, AB line. Okay. So we got a straight line parallel to x-axis. When y equals to 3 is given. Okay. So in this way we will do solve the second question also. Let's check the second question. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. So let's solve it. So in question number 2 they have given equation 2x plus 9 equal to 0. First we have to show in one variable. So how we can show in one variable? First we will solve it. 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So 9 will go that side. It becomes minus 9. Now 2x equals to minus 9. Now this will 2 go to that side. Right now it is in multiplication form. So wait, when it is go to right hand side it becomes division form. So 9 minus 9 upon 2. And minus 9 upon 2 we can say 4.5 also. So it becomes minus 9 upon 2 or we can say minus 4.5. Now we have to show this minus 4.5 or you can say minus 9.2 on number line because we have to show in one variable. So it is minus, first it is the minus 9.2, so it will come left hand side of 0. This is 0, it will come left hand side. What is 4.5? So 4.5 will come in between of 5 and 4. So we can say this point is showing what? Minus 9 upon 2, or you can say minus 4.5. In this way we have solved our first part, that is 2x plus 9 equal to 0. We have to show in one variable. Okay, now the same question we have to show in two variable, 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So how we can write in two variables? 2x plus, in place of this one we can write 0 multiplied by y plus 9 equal to 0. Now x also there, y also there, so it becomes linear equations in two variable. Okay, now solve it. So it becomes x equals to minus 9 upon 2, or we can say minus 4.5. So what we will do now? Now we will put, in place of y we'll put value and we can get the value of x. So first we can put in place of y we can put 0 only. Okay, so what will come? It is given 2x plus 0 into 0 into 0, 0 it becomes, so it becomes again 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So again what will come? Minus 9 upon 2. Okay, because it is 0 only, 0 is 0. Now in place of y we are putting 1. So again 1 zeros are 0. Again it will become 2x plus 9. Again what value of come? X. Minus 9 upon 2. Now in place of y 2, so again what will come? Minus 9 upon 2. So we got our three solutions: minus 9 upon 2 comma 0, minus 2 9 upon 2 comma 1, minus 9 upon 2 comma 2. So we will solve in graph. Let's check here. It is minus, so write minus here, minus 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 minus, and downside minus, it is there. Okay, y-axis, x-axis. Okay, first point is what? Minus 9 upon 2 comma 0. Minus 9 upon 2, it is the value coordinate of x. So minus 9 upon 2 means 4.5, minus 4.5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So it will come in between this one. This is point which shows what? Minus 9 upon 2. So what is the first point? Our first point is what? Minus 9 upon 2 comma 0. So minus 9 upon 2 comma 0 will show this point only. So this is what? Minus 9 upon 2 comma 0. 9 upon 2 we can say 4.5 also. Okay, so minus 4.5. This is the point because the value of y is 0, so it will come here only. Second solution is what? Minus 9 upon 2 comma 1. So minus 9 upon 2 is here only. Where is 1? 1 is there. It will come just here only. Okay, just this one. Then minus 9 upon 2 comma 2, so it will come just minus 9 upon 2 here only, and 2 is here, so it will come this point. So we got these 3 points, 1 2 3. Now let's meet this point. So when we join these 3 points, so we got a straight line which is parallel to y-axis, mm. Okay, and it is on the left hand side of the y-axis. Okay, so we can say 2x plus 0 point y plus 9, 0 multiplied by y plus 9 equal to 0. It is linear equations in two variable. We have shown on this, which is in the form of mm, which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 4.5 to the left hand side. Okay, so here we have completed our chapter number 4. So I will give you some similar questions you can solve in home assignment. Thank you, class. At last, I just want to say, as the danger of corona is increasing, be at home, be safe, and take care.